Have you ever made peanut chutney in a microwave? If you're in a hurry, here is a quick and tasty chutney you can make in minutes. Microwave peanut chutney, perfect with dosa, idli, or just as a dip. Let's get started. In a microwave safe bowl, take half a cup of raw peanuts. Microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't forget to stir in between for about every minute. You will know they are done when they turn golden and smell nutty. Now add 2 or 3 dried red chilies, a small tamarind piece, 1 small garlic clove to the same bowl. Microwave this for 30 to 45 seconds until lightly roasted. The peanut chutney mix is ready. Let everything cool slightly, then transfer to a blender. Grind it to a smooth or slightly coarse chutney, however you like it. I like little buttery and smooth kind of consistency in my chutney, so I am grinding it to a smooth chutney. Add salt, adding water to get to the required consistency. There it is, the buttery and soft texture. For extra flavor, make a quick tempering. In a microwave safe bowl, add few curry leaves, urad dal, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, a pinch of hing, red chilies, 1 teaspoon oil. Microwave for about a minute until the mustard seeds start to splutter. Add the ground chutney to this bowl. Here also you can adjust the consistency by adding little more water. If you want a runny chutney, add more water. If you want it even quicker, then skip the tempering. Adjust the chilies to your spice level. And for a tangy twist, blend in a small piece of tomato. That's it. Delicious peanut chutney in just few minutes is ready. No stove needed. Adjust the salt. And serve the chutney with hot idlis or dosa or upma. Try it today and please let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.